How to make money on YouTube without making videos. Hi, it's Alexei here. More about my personality at the end of the video. Now I'm going to share with you the secrets of how to make money on YouTube without making videos. This will allow you to start your own small business and earn money staying at home during COVID. It will not require to film videos or show your face. You can remain completely anonymous to the viewers. In this video, I will share with you how to choose a niche for your channel with high ad revenues, how to choose most effective topics for your video compilations that will bring lots of views, and where to find sources for video footage to make money on YouTube without making videos and without showing your face. Many people think that it is the face and the manner of speech that is the most important factor to make money on YouTube. In fact, it's not. It's way more important to choose the right topic for the video and craft the most effective title and description and tags and thumbnail. You will be astonished how easy it is to implement my 3 tips on how to make money on YouTube without making videos. So let's get started. Before creating your YouTube videos without showing your face, you need to wisely choose a rich and juicy niche for your YouTube channel. If you choose a niche with a low income and young audience, then your ad revenue can be as little as less than $1 per 1,000 views. Putting the same amount of effort into video creation in the niche that is a big and rich audience will allow you to earn up to $10 or even $20 per 1,000 views. Feel the difference? Here is a list of cheap and expensive niches in terms of the ad revenue to generate. Let's start with the cheap ones. You can expect to get only $1 per 1,000 views or even less in the niches such as pranks, music, gaming, commentary, or vlogs. Mid-tier niches with $2 to $5 per 1,000 views are cars and makeup. Rich and juicy niches with more than $5 or $10 per 1,000 views are credit cards, finance, investing, real estate, e-commerce, and luxury. I would strongly recommend you to choose one of those. You will make 10 times more money doing the same work in those niches. Wow! After watching this video for only 2 minutes, you already know an abundant and generous niche to make money on YouTube without making videos. Now, let's dive into the art of choosing the most effective topics for your videos. This is the key factor for your success, since wise topics will automatically attract free audience from your search results. Ideally, you need to find those topics that are so interesting for the audience that they get a lot of new viewers who are searching for them. How do you do this? You need to find videos in your niche that have more views than the number of subscribers on the channel where those videos are published. This will ensure that the views are coming not only from the existing subscribers, but also from the new audience. More on this in my step-by-step tutorial that I will mention to you in a minute. Another way to find great topics for your videos is to see what already worked on the channels in your niche. Other YouTubers have tried thousands of subjects and received the reaction from their audience. Instead of doing such a trial yourself, you can find big YouTube channels in your niche and sort the videos based on popularity, which in simple terms means to sort them by the number of views. This way, you will easily find the topics for which the heart of the viewers responds most. Now you know your niche and the topics for the videos. and you wonder how to create video compilations and how to make money on YouTube without making videos. You will find a step-by-step tutorial using the link in the description. In essence, you need to download existing video material from websites such as Storyblogs and Pexel. You can also use existing YouTube videos in a cautious manner under the fair use rules. And you need to produce a voiceover with software like Pexel or a free Google Cloud text-to-speech service. I'm sure that now you understand much better how to make money on YouTube without making videos and without showing your face. Unfortunately, this video is too short to explain every mentioned point in the detail. I would love to make this video longer and more detailed, but YouTube algorithm doesn't like long videos. So doesn't your brain, my dear viewer. If you need a step-by-step instruction on how to make money on YouTube without making videos in 2021, I invite you to have a look at my paid content on this topic using the link in the description below. It is not a huge and expensive YouTube course, but rather a detailed step-by-step video guide on how to implement every single tip and trick I shared with you in this video. Spend $1 to save your time searching for hours for the relevant content and lessons on YouTube. Your time is precious, so it's really worth it. Once you get lots of viewers on YouTube without making videos, you are to face another challenge: how to convert those viewers into subscribers. Having lots of subscribers will help you with your goal of how to make money on YouTube without making videos. This problem is solved by giving your viewers a strong reason to subscribe, by better understanding your audience using YouTube Analytics, and by using special visual add-ons in your videos to boost subscription. More on this topic in another video on my channel. Check it out. It was great to share with you in such a concise way of how to make money on YouTube without making videos in 2021. To wrap this up, I would like to ask you to share in the comments down below why you prefer not to film your own videos. Is it your shyness? Or your strong accent? Or are you afraid that filming your videos take a lot of time and effort? I will be glad to address that pain in one of my next videos. It would help me to understand you and your problems to be able to serve you even better on your way to success. As a tradition, at the end of the video, I'm sharing some interesting facts about myself. You can find more about my life in my second YouTube channel called The Lifestyle Talk Show. Check it out. Filming home videos was my hobby since 1990s. I started my first video blog about traveling in 2013 when I was 30 years old. Traveling is a big hobby of mine. I visited more than 40 countries and I lived in 5 of them: Germany, Switzerland, Russia, Thailand and the UK. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you soon in the next videos.